Oscar from Columbus, Ohio.
Great market, by the way. Great market.
What ROI are you looking when you're investing?
Okay, ROI, return on investment, okay, or we would call cash flow. It's the cash flow that I'm really looking for, okay? There's a couple of terms. One is, you could use ROI. Cash flow is a term. All these are made up though, guys. It's like, how good's the building? The better the building is, the better the future of the building is, the less I need for return. Why? Number one reason, you want to write this down. Number one reason, and you need to know these. You need to know, this is why I'm doing this. He's not sure why he's doing it, because right now he's like, what's my ROI? Okay, number one reason, it might be because of your age, but number one reason is what? Preserve capital. Why am I buying the real estate? Okay, why am I buying the real estate? I want to preserve capital. Melissa gave me $1 million. I'm a consultant. I consult her business. She gives me $1 million to consult the business. I want to preserve the $1 million. If you keep the $1 million, you're going to lose it. You're going to get taxed out of it. It's going to depreciate. Everybody agree? You want to convert paper to buildings. Okay, I have a rule. I never convert paper to more paper. I'd convert it to Bitcoin before I'd convert it back to dollars or treasury bills, personally. I actually believe in the blockchain more than I believe in the Treasury Department. Oh yeah, this guy. Oh, here go the maxis. Bitcoin people will go crazy now, watch. Okay, how many crypto people in the room? These people are nuts. Okay, they're like the drug addicts of the blockchain. Okay, you start talking to these people, you drop a quarter in them. Tell me about crypto. Oh, shit. These people will talk for 17 days. All right, so one, you want to protect your capital. Okay, this is why people get it, now I want to keep it. The way to keep it is to convert it. You cannot keep cash without losing it. It's going down in value. In your lifetime, it's lost 70% of its value. In my lifetime, it's lost 70% of my value. Yeah, exactly. Okay. One, you want to protect your capital. Number two, you want cash flow. These are my criteria for investing in anything. That's why I don't load up on Bitcoin, because it doesn't hit number two. It doesn't cash flow.